Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel and welcome if this is your first time. My name is Max and on this channel I share tips and strategies on how to improve your French fluency. Today I want to talk about a topic that often confuses French learners. It's a topic of words with silent letters. These words have some letters in them that are silent, meaning they are not pronounced. It can be tricky, especially for beginner language learners, but once you get the hang of it, you'll sound like a pro. Let's explore a few of them together. All right, the first one on the list is enfant, which means child. The T at the end of enfant is silent, so the word will sound like enfant. Cet enfant est très gentil. This child is very kind. The next one is marchand. Marchand, which means merchant. So the D at the end of the word is not pronounced. So once again, marchand. Le marchand vend des légumes frais. The merchant sells fresh vegetables. And by the way, the word frais is another one. Frais has an S at the end, which is silent. So frais means in English fresh. Another one is heure, for hour. This one is an easy one. The H at the beginning of the word is silent. Just like in English, you say hour, right? So in French, it would be heure. On se voit dans une heure. See you in 1 hour. Our next word is beaucoup, meaning a lot. Il mange beaucoup de fruits. He eats a lot of fruits. Once again, beaucoup. Il mange beaucoup de fruits. The last one for today is plomb, which is lead in English. The B at the end of plomb is silent. Le plomb est un métal lourd. Lead is a heavy metal. Once again, le plomb est un métal lourd. Lead is a heavy metal. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, let me know in the comments what are the subjects you would like for me to cover. All right, guys, happy practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. À bientôt.